Namaste, welcome to Sisrekha's kitchen. Today I am making bottle gourd curry with fenugreek leaves. It's a very simple recipe, not a fancy one, very healthy recipe for everyday cooking. To make bottle gourd curry with fenugreek leaves or Sorakaya Methi curry, first I have taken 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan and heat it on medium heat. Once the oil is hot, I added 1 teaspoon of chana dal, 1 teaspoon of urad dal, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. And then I added 2 red chilies cut into small pieces. Stir them once and add a big pinch of hing or asafoetida and then add the fenugreek leaves. Saute the fenugreek leaves for a minute. Fenugreek leaves are packed with nutrients. You have to clean the fenugreek leaves very well to remove the dust and debris. After thoroughly cleaning only, chop them finely. After sauteing for a minute, go ahead and add the bottle gourd. Give it a stir and add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, some salt and half a teaspoon of red chili powder. I used only half a teaspoon, but if you want it more spicy, you can add more. You don't have to add any water. It will cook in its own juices. Stir it well, cover it and cook for a few minutes on low-medium flame. Check the curry once, give it a stir and continue cooking on low-medium flame. If the curry looks dry, you can sprinkle a few drops of water. Check the curry one more time. Looks like my curry is done. It is cooked well. At this point, you can also add some coriander cumin powder. I am adding some chopped cilantro. This curry goes very well with rice, quinoa or chapati. If you want to see more simple healthy curries like this, check out my channel at Sisrekha's Kitchen and also my Telugu channel Sisrekha's Kitchen and Crafts. If you like the recipe, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.